Well, hello there folks, welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode we're going to be looking at this is a first class Amenity bag from Continental Airlines. As you can see, I have two and I got them from eBay, and from this you can tell that I'm a big fan of Continental Airlines. So before we get started, let's go to eBay and let's take a look at the listings for this type of item. Okay, so here we are at eBay. So this is what you get if you look up Continental Airlines. So let's click on this right here, $5. You can even make an offer. Uh-oh, it's all empty. And I don't want that. Let's go back. Let's keep going down. You see some really old ones. Let's look at this one right here, $14.99. And this is closer to the one we have. If you look at it, yeah, it's very similar. Let's go back. Let's see what else. This one too, it's about the same, $14.70. And yeah, it has that that blue thing. Well, I guess this one's kind of different. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so we are back from the website, and this is what I got right here. So if you had been able to travel on Continental Airlines some 20 years ago, and you traveled in first class, they would have offered you this right here. So I got two of them. I like Continental Airlines, as you can probably tell. This is a Boeing 737-800 Continental Airlines, so it's a small plane, but it does the job. But anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. This is definitely making me feel special. I put my phone in airplane mode because the flight attendants would always tell us to do that, and I'm sure they know why. So this is what you get. I was just kidding there, but this is what you get. Let's start from the top. Well, this is so you can hang it, I suppose, because if you travel, let's say to Paris, and you stay at a hotel. You stay at the Hilton Hotel or the Marriott or whatever, any of those hotels, and you can put this on the closet like that. So this is gonna work for you long after you leave the flight. And that's the idea. It's not just for in-flight convenience, this is for the whole trip. And then you open that, and then you get this message right here. If you are in need of a shaving product, razor, or shaving cream, they are available upon request. Contact your flight attendant for assistance. On the back, there's nothing. So what's next? Continental Airlines earbuds. Let's open them up, see what's inside. I'm not expecting much, but let's see what we have. And it's kind of hard to do. So these haven't seen the light of day for over 20 years. So this is very basic. There's just foamy. Let me see how they smell. Yeah, they don't smell like anything. Well, let me put them back. I'm saving this in case Continental Airlines makes a comeback, and I'm gonna use this once again when I travel again in Continental Airlines, if that ever happens, and I don't think it will. So that is that. What else do we have here? This is the first time I'm opening this up. I hadn't opened this up This is for you to sleep. Yeah, that's what it is. So you put this over your head, over your face, and it covers your eyes. You should probably know that. Pen. So you travel to France. There's no ink left on it. Let me see. Let me go get a piece of paper. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. It actually works. It feels very cheap. It's like I got it from the dollar store. It's certainly not first class, but what are you gonna do about it? Let's move on. So this was the pen. So what else do we have here? Is this a towel? What is this? What? Kidding me? Socks? And they look like they've been used before. They don't look new. I'm gonna throw this away. These have definitely been used. I'm gonna throw that away. I don't want this. What else do we have? There's nothing else in that bag. On the bottom, I was hoping it would be a rolled up bill, but it's Crabtree and Evelyn aloe vera with SPF sun protection factor 15 lip balm, and made in the USA, and doesn't have an expiration date that I can tell. So we're gonna try to figure out what year this bag came from. Looks like I've got a replica pen. I'm gonna ignore it because it probably does the same thing as the first one. And we got more information here. Crabtree and Evelyn, and we're gonna go on the internet and find out what this is all about. See if they still exist after 20 years or so. Tic Tac. They expired. Let's see. Doesn't say when they expired. They're broken. It says 83502. I don't think that's an expiration date. There's no expiration date on this. So let's move on. I'm not gonna eat them. So what else do we have? Colgate. Oh, it's torn. I'm thinking this might have been a used product, because we found those used socks, and this looks new, but it doesn't look expensive. It's certainly not first class, but it's definitely new. It's just a little bent from being under pressure. And let's see if this has any expiration date. And it appears to have an expiration date of August. I don't know if you can see it. August 04. So assuming that this was new when it was put in there, and then that means, I know for sure, I already checked that the Colgates expire in 1 year. So that means that this was from 2003 when it was new, and when they put it in here it was in 2003. and right now we are in 2021, so that would make it 18 years or so. So this was from 18 years ago, and they haven't been used, so this is expired for sure. You can't use it. And we have another one of these, body lotion. Kind of looks like it's crystallized in there. And it comes, I think it comes from Europe, because when you see that E, that usually means European Union. Let's see if we can read anything. We can't. But it says aloe vera lac pour le corps, and all the ingredients. It says it in English and French, I believe. And then it says 25 milliliters, and distributed by 1988 Crabtree and Evelyn Ltd, Woodstock Hill, Connecticut 06281 USA, and Kensington Church Street, London, WA, UK. Made in Great Britain. Fabrique en Grande Bretagne, number 37431. So that's what I could read from that. So it was made in the United, what is United Kingdom, England, Great Britain, whatever that country is called. They have too many names. So let's just move on. What is this? What in the name? It is obviously a mirror, and this is a folding brush that takes a lot of strength to pull out. There you have it. So you can comb your beautiful hair, and then when you're done, you just pop it back in with a lot of strength. Try not to break. Okay, there we go. And then you close it. And that's it, folks. So that was our amenity bag from Continental Airlines from, I believe, 2003 or so, because the toothpaste expired in 2004. Okay, so we have reached the end of this video. So I want to thank you guys for traveling backwards in time with me to 18 years ago. And this was a lot of fun, and I'm very happy to be able to share it with you. So at this point, all we have to do is go to the airport and get in one of these guys. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.